1. Who wrote Kitab-al-Hind? Answer. Al-Biruni wrote Kitab-al-Hind. Question number 2. What were known as Ur? Answer. The settlements of peasants were known as Ur. Question number 3. What were called Nadu? Answer. Groups of villages formed larger units called Nadu. Question number 4. What was called Brahmadeya? Answer. The land gifted to Brahmanas was called Brahmadeya. Question number 5. Name the state where Kadamba Mayurashtraman ruled. Answer. Karnataka. Question number 6. Who built Gangaikonda Cholapuram? Answer. Rajendra I. 7. When was Ellora cave built? Answer. Ellora caves was built Rashtrakuta period. Answer. Question number 8. What does Arayar means? Arayar means chief. Question number 9. Which river flowed in the regions of Chola dynasty? Answer. Kaveri. Number 10. In which state the Gujarat Pradihara dynasty was formed? Answer. Rajasthan. Question number 11. Where is the temple of somnath situated? Answer. Gujarat. Question number 12. Where was the Tang dynasty established? Answer. China. Number 13. Name the Chola ruler who developed the navy. Answer. Rajendra I. Question number 14. What is the Vetti? Answer. Vetti is a type of tax taken not in cash but in the form of forced labor. Question number 15. Who were known as Nagarams? Answer. Association of traders were known as Nagarams. Question number 16. Who wrote a Sanskrit poem about rulers of Kashmir? Answer. It was composed by an author named Kalhana. Question number 17. What were the two major cities under the control of Chaumanas? Answer. Delhi and Ajmer. Question number 18. What was called Sabha? Answer. An assembly of prominent Brahmana land holders who looked after Brahmadeya was called Sabha. Revise Part 2.